Hello viewers, welcome to ACOMIS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about a prestigious project that India has taken with respect to conservation of big cats. So we all know last year in 2023, India has proposed International Big Cat Alliance. So we are going to discuss about International Big Cat Alliance in this particular video. We'll understand the context. So what are the features, aims, objectives and the functioning of this particular organization. So first, right, what is the context? So the recent context is this International Big Cat Alliance came officially into force, right? That means previously this was a proposal as an intergovernmental organization to conserve 7 big cats. But today it came into existence or force because some countries have ratified it, right? So we know like when we want to join initiative, we'll sign in the beginning, but that has to be approved by national legislatures of the particular countries. Then only it will come into force. So there will be a mandate that these many countries have to sign and ratify. Then any organization will come into picture. So in that situation, if you see, recently India, Nicaragua. So this is a South American country, and Eswatini, Somalia and Liberia. Okay, so these countries have ratified with this International Big Cat Alliance came into existence. Then when it was launched in 2023 to mark 50 years of Project Tiger. So our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced this on the lines of celebrating 50 years of Project Tiger, which was originally planned and launched in 1973, right? Then where was it headquartered? In New Delhi. So especially if you see in New Delhi also under National Tiger Conservation Authorities Office under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So this was being stationed. Then what is the aim and objective? So the main objective is to conserve 7 big cats. Apart from that, they wanted to prevent any illegal trade, especially among these 7 big cats. At the same time, they wanted to provide financial and technical support which is required for the conservation of 7 big cats. At the same time, they also wanted to mitigate climate change related problems. Okay, so to decrease the impact of climate change on these particular species. Then we'll understand what are the species covered. So we are saying that this International Big Cat Alliance is an alliance of 7 big cats. So those 7 big cats are tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, cheetah, jaguar and puma. So these are the 7 big cats. And out of these, India hosts, okay, so these 5 except jaguar and puma. Okay, out of 7 big cats which are being conserved under this, we have only tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard and cheetah which are hosted in India, right? That means in the recent times, you know, cheetah was extinct in 1952 itself, but we have reintroduced cheetah and that became world's first translocational project with respect to cheetah also, right? Then what are the main functions of this International Big Cat Alliance? So it is providing a collaborative platform. That means one country will exchange the best conservation practices with another. Then research and monitoring also, what is the prey, what is the habitat related research can be promoted, and funding and resource mobilization also happens through this initiative in a better way. At the same time, better policies also can be advocated, right? Then so when we talk about the funding and governance mechanism of this particular institution, the budget allocation was 150 crore rupees. So this was announced for a 5-year term period of 2023 to 2028. So from the government of Indian side, so we are going to give 150 crores for 5-year period, which will be used for conserving these 7 big cats. At the same time, the governance mechanism was actually inspired from International Solar Alliance. We know this is also one of the intergovernmental organization which is again headquartered in Gurugram of India, mainly to promote solar energy. And we know this was launched on the lines of COP21 Paris Summit, which happened in the year 2015. So what are all the international institutions stationed in India? We have 3 so far. One is International Solar Alliance in Gurugram. We have Coalition for Disaster Resilience Infrastructure, CDRA, also headquartered in India. Next is International Big Cat Alliance. So far, these are the 3 international organizations which are based in India, right? Let us see the practice question in this regard. Consider the following statements regarding International Big Cat Alliance. First one, it is an initiative by UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme. Then it aims to protect all species of big cats, including tigers, lions, leopards, jaguars, and snow leopard. Third, headquarters is located in New Delhi, India. Among these, which you feel is the right one, let me know in the comment section. Then we have discussed about why International Big Cat Alliance is in news in the recent context. We have seen what are the members that have ratified this particular organization in the recent times. At the same time, we have seen the aim, objective, funding, and what type of species are getting covered along with the practice question. So if you like the video, do let us know in the comment section. Thanks for joining. All the very best.